See it in the dust, but there it is.
You have a big wallowy truck. Oh, don't add it into there. I haven't even looked at what the TSN is.
They feel so heavy compared to the sledges. It's like an elephant. What is it with you and cones?
Oh, I just tagged them. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, look at that. Flat off the line. Can't see my car.
Keep it on going. Oh wait, come on.
Oh, a bit wobbly there. Bump round here somewhere. Come on, turning. In that little bump there. Oh, nailed it flat out.
What are you doing?
Oh, might have just tagged the cone. And another one. No one noticed that, did they? Log on the wrong side of a couple of those cones. Oh, that was my own fault.
I was trying to drive neatly and there was this wild thing behind, just knocking everything down.
I think I have hit all the cones, has been me.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Whoa, tagged me.
Problem is, when you're behind, you can barely see your car for the dust.
Oh, that was close.
Oh, those orange seats keep getting in the way.
I think I'll just
I might
wait.
move the cone for you.
Thanks. One more lap.
There we go. I think that's an extra lap.
I'm just trying to keep my car out of danger. Well, apart from that. Oh, this cone's gone.
So where the
I
cone's
went
gone.
round a
I might move that
non-existent cone.
There's some funny noise. There's even more funny noises coming from the green truck now. Oh. Hi guys, so you may have heard in that video we've got the little clicking sound coming from our Xmaxx. We had the problem on the blue truck, we now got it on the green one. But there is a simple way we've found to actually fix it. And if you can see that, with that little shim. So we'll show you where that goes in the truck and it hopefully sorts it all out. Okay, so what we're going to do, the shim is actually going to go in the back of the transmission here. So we'll just quickly show you how to do that. It's quite a straightforward task. We have actually already stripped some of this car to bits already, a little bit as Blue Peter style. So you just need to remove your rear bumper. You've got a screw there and a screw there, and then 2 screws go through the bottom there. See, like that, like there. And then the wheelie bar pops off there like that. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws to remove your back diff half, so you can then get your diff out. So there are our 4 screws out. The shorter one, if you don't know, the shorter one there actually goes in that bottom hole there, so make sure you don't get them around the wrong way. And then simple process, pull off your diff cover and out comes your diff assembly. We've actually swapped these cups around. See that wear there? We've actually swapped them around side to side to even up the wear. So there's a little tip there, and we will just re-grease that just before we put it back in. But the shim is going to go behind the pinion gear. So we need to remove that pinion gear and then just put our little shim behind that. It just improves the mesh. It just improves the mesh onto that ring gear there. And very gently, I am going to use pliers. Make sure you don't damage any of the teeth. Pulls off there like that. And then the shim can just go on the back there like that. And then we'll pop it back in the truck there. But what I am going to do, I'm just going to put a little bit of grease in there just to help everything move along and keep it a bit quieter, and then we will have that back together. So we've greased it back up. I've actually greased the pinion gear. Just stick the car back together. Diff cover on first. Make sure you've got your drive shafts in there. As I said, smaller screw in the bottom. So you just need to put the wheelie bar on now. Most important part of this truck, or one of the important parts. And the rear bumper. Get it the right way around. And as many of you have seen, we have our body shell protectors which just sit on there on top of the body shell, so they're great. See them in the description. I'll leave a comment, link in the description for those, but they're available on eBay. We've also done another video on those. Got these 2 screws in there, and then these 2 in there. There we have it, done. Boom, in the voice of a well-known YouTuber. Sitting on our nice 3D printed stand. It's actually a UDR one there. I'm going to do a proper one for the Xmaxx. In fact, it's not sitting on it, is it? The Xmaxx is too tall. But we're going to take it out for a spin now, see if putting that shim in the back of here has stopped that clicking. So let's see what it's done. Right, so let's see whether the clicking has gone from that modification. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, pretty quiet. I think we may have solved
Slight
it.
course cut there. I don't feel sorry about it.
Oh, can't see the track for the last. Oh, yeah, I'm getting out of the way here. I've already been hit once by a sledge. Max will hurt even more. Oh no!
I'll get it.
Keeps falling over. Must be driver error, I reckon. Lovely view.
Can't even remember the last
Petrol
time the
station
blue truck
going up.
over.
One of your charging stations.
Move that back.
Wonder what they're going to build here. Who knows? If you look round, you guess where we are. They're still over there. Right, ready?
Yep.
Go! Oh, got the inside. See, tough place to crash. Taking nice and gently round there. Oh! So, we've given it a run at our building site location, and it does seem to have occurred, the clicking on the gears on this Xmaxx. We're already down to the blue one. So, get that shim, stick it in that pinion gear at the back, and that should sort out that clicking. Click on that subscribe button. We're back again soon.